Did you ever realize that now is the best time to learn data science? Let me tell you why. In this COVID lockdown situation, every single business and operation is going online. Food, grocery and online delivery has boomed. All level of education system has started online classes. Work from home has become a regular thing and streaming media services has reached an all-time peak. Now imagine the amount of data generated every single day due to these online operations and transactions, and how many data scientists will be required to process this huge amount of data to improve the businesses and run the operations smoothly. You understand the point now, right? So if you want to convert this unfortunate pandemic to make your fortune, join the live online classes at DataOps, where data science and machine learning specialists will help you learn all the Python libraries to get a solid job in data science. Spend only 1 hour every day for just 6 days. You will learn NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow and PyTorch. And at the end of the workshop, join the mega webinar for interview preparation and get ready for the industry. We will also provide the codes and recordings of the online sessions for your future reference. Visit our website www.dataops.co.in now to register and get ready for the future.